team, it's Marcos Rivera, and today I want to talk about the other price hike in streaming, the one from Peacock. I already mentioned and covered a few others, but let's dig into Peacock's price increase and their communication today. So I got this email from Peacock, and the email was lacking quite a bit. There are a lot of mistakes in this one to call out. First of all, did not address me by name, just said, thank you for being a subscriber. So very cold. They could have easily pulled my information for that because they also knew a little bit about when my next billing date was. So starting with a name, it doesn't cost a lot to add it to the email. I think that would have added a nice touch. But the email also had an image pasted in the body of the email that basically had 15 different things to look at. It had the premium plan, monthly price from the old price to the new price, premium plus monthly, premium annually, premium plus annually, had all this information. So it was very clear that it wasn't really targeted. So the other thing they could have fixed was just tell me what my plan would have increased to, and then would have allowed me to open the doorway to say, hey, I noticed you're month to month. Why don't you move to an annual plan and perhaps give me some kind of discount to nudge me into that, or even nudge me from a basic premium to a plus. The main thing here is that I'm now reassessing my value of Peacock, right? I get content from all sorts of places, just like many of us, right? You have your Netflix and you have your Hulus and Disney Plus and whatnot. So Peacock is fighting a very uphill battle. They have about 20 million subscribers now, which is a great lift year over year, but they're still woefully behind all of the other streaming services. So they're also operating at about $1 billion loss. So when you're doing that, I can see they're trying to up those margins and get things in line. I think an opportunity in addition to the price increase would have been to move folks into higher paid plans and really highlight the content. So the email didn't really talk a lot about why the price increase came about, what they're doing about it, what's the new money going to be put towards. And so left it very open-ended. I think they had an opportunity to really drive home some of the key reasons why you want to subscribe to Peacock. So in their other press releases out there, they did talk about 100,000 hours of content added in the last year. They talked about all the big marquee sports like FIFA World Cup on there and all the other new content. And I think that would have been a fantastic thing to highlight in this email, in addition to focusing on my plan, addressing me by name, and giving me a few options to either grow my subscription or go with an annual plan. So a few big missteps by Peacock. Hopefully the churn response isn't too bad. Big lesson for everyone out there. If you're going to be rolling out price increases, how you do it is just as important as how much. So please pay attention to some of these key things and learn from the areas that Peacock could have improved on in case you're looking at increased prices or change your rollout yourself. All right. Thank you so much. And I hope you learned something. And that's the word on the street. If you want more of these videos, give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you again next time.